The University of Buckingham, a world-class university in the heart of England, close to Oxford and Milton Keynes. A unique university experience, the only independent university in the UK. 1,000 students from around 90 countries, heading the league tables for student-staff ratio and student satisfaction, voted 21st out of 116 in the Times Good University Guide 2012.
It's quiet and pretty and it's quite small. I like small classes.
Complete a 3-year honours degree in 2 years, save time, money and start earning a salary a year early.
We work 4 terms in any year rather than 3, so that when everyone else has a long summer vacation, we are back here having another 9-week term.
Teaching takes place in small groups or one-to-one tutorials. Staff-student ratio is the best in the UK, with 1 member of staff for every 8 students.
For me, it's one of the best things about the job in that I get to know the students individually, I can help them individually with any problems they may have.
At present, there are 3 possible start dates for English literature, journalism, English language courses, and indeed for most of the courses in the university. September, January and July.
University is about more than just lectures. Get involved with the student union.
The people are wonderful, the location's idyllic, and the course was just wonderful.
The University of Buckingham, the UK's favourite university. Visit www.buckingham.ac.uk.